Problem number 6 says, let f of x equal x to the power of 7 times x minus 4 to the power of 7 divided by x squared plus 6 to the power of 7. Use logarithmic differentiation to determine the derivative. We start logarithmic differentiation by taking the log of both sides. And so I'll take the natural log of both sides. And now we have to try to simplify using properties of logarithms. And so I would have the natural log of f of x is equal to, well, acknowledge that all of these are the same. They all have the same exponent of 7. So I can actually factor out that 7. So this is like the natural log of x times x minus 4 divided by x squared plus 6 raised to the power of 7. And now I can use a property of logarithms that says if you have some number to some exponent within a logarithm function, you can move that power out as as a constant multiplier. And so now we have 7 times the natural log of x times x plus 4 or x minus 4 divided by x squared plus 6. The next step would be to simplify further. So when we multiply two functions within a natural log, we're really adding those two things. So this would become 7 times the natural log of x plus 7 times the natural log of x minus 4. And then when we divide by numbers, we're actually subtracting those. And so this would become minus 7 times the natural log of x squared plus 6. And this is still equal to the natural log of our original function. Well, now we can take the derivative of both sides. And so the derivative of the natural log of f of x is just, this would just become f prime of x divided by the original function f of x. Well, we took the derivative of the left-hand side. Now we need to take the derivative of the right-hand side. So 7 times the derivative of the natural log of x, that's just 1 divided by x. And then we're adding 7 times the derivative of the natural log of x minus 4 is just 1 over x minus 4. And then we're subtracting 7 times the derivative of x squared plus 6. Well, the derivative of x squared plus 6 is 2x. And so we would have 2x divided by x squared plus 6. Well, now we have something in terms of f prime of x and f of x. So our last step would be to multiply both sides by f of x and solve for f prime of x. So this would mean f prime of x equals 7 divided by x plus 7 divided by x minus 4 minus 14x divided by x squared plus 6. And we're going to take this quantity and multiply it by our original function f of x, because that's what this is down here as well, and we just multiplied by that on both sides. And so I would write x to the 7th power times x minus 4 to the 7th power divided by x squared plus 6 to the 7th power. And so this would be our derivative